Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must start with admin rights and a restore point so you can recover if networking breaks. First, open services, MSC, or run PowerShell as administrator. This gives direct control over services. Next, locate the service host instance tied to network service. Identify by name and dependencies to avoid stopping critical services. Once done, note dependent services and current startup type. You'll use that information to change behavior safely without disrupting shared svchost processes. You will modify the specific service entry, not every svchost process. Use services MMC to set the startup type to manual or disabled, or run. Set service name startup type disabled in elevated PowerShell. Then stop the service with stop service and observe behavior. Some functions may restart under another host. If dependencies exist, change them first or migrate settings. Make sure to test network functionality between changes to avoid losing remote access unexpectedly. Finalize by rebooting and verifying that network functions you need still work. This confirms no hidden dependency was broken. If something fails, immediately re-enable the service or use the restore point to revert. This restores normal svchost behavior. For troubleshooting, inspect Event Viewer for service failures and identify which svchost process attempted restarts. Make sure to document the change and consider targeted firewall or group policy controls as safer long-term alternatives to disabling shared host services.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.